What is going on, you guys? Alex here with Sportline, bringing you another Tesla video. Today we're going to be checking out our screen protectors for Model 3 and Model Y, available in matte as well as clear, and we're going to be showing you how to install these today. Alright, so we're inside the car now, and with the kit you're going to get 3 screen protectors as well as 3 screen cleaning cloths. We're going to use these to clean the screen before we apply this. Alright, so on this side I have the matte protector, this side is the clear. So a little side by side. Once they're on the screen, you can't tell the difference, but with the matte, when viewed from an angle, you're not going to have any glare. So today we're going to be putting the matte on our Model Y. So right now I'm going to walk you through the process of how to install this. Alright, next, before we clean this, I'm going to go into the controls and go to display and enter the screen clean mode, so we're not pressing a bunch of things as we're wiping on the screen. So now we can take our alcohol wipe and just wipe this down really well. This is also going to be useful when we're applying the film, since we're going to be touching the screen a lot. So now that we've got that cleaned well, I'm going to take the microfiber cloth and come back and just get it really clean and make sure it's completely dry. And make sure there's no dust or anything on the screen. So no dust, no smudges, fingerprints, and the screen is completely dry. So now we should be good to go. So now on your screen protector, there's going to be 2 stickers that come on it, one on each side. There's going to be one that says to peel off before application, and then on the other side, it's going to be peel this one off after application. So something you can do before you start applying this is, once you pull off the backside film here, and you're getting ready to apply it like this, with your number 2 facing up and out, you can actually apply these guide stickers to the top of the number 2 film. And this is going to prevent you from putting fingerprints and getting dust on the back side of the film as you lay it on the screen. You can peel your back film and then use these guide stickers to hold the film with as you get it lined up on the screen. So we can start by peeling the number 1 off here. And when you're putting this on, you want to make sure that this sticker is actually facing up and you can read it. That's going to ensure that it is aligned properly, because this does go one way with this flat top edge and the bottom edge is slightly curved. So now with that in place, we can just go ahead and press it out. Press it down firm, get all the bubbles out. Your key can actually work really well as a squeegee to help you get some of these bubbles out. So make sure you're doing this before you peel this cover off. Alright, so once you're happy with that, you can take the number 2 little sticker and go ahead and peel that off. Now we can exit screen cleaning mode. As you can see, looks just as good as it did before, operates perfectly, and is now protected. So that was going to do it for us today on this one. If you have any questions about what we did today, make sure to leave a comment down below. We'd be happy to help. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, and if you're not already, subscribe and hit the bell to be notified whenever we post new videos. We've got lots more Tesla content coming very soon. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.